The Court of Appeal in Abuja on Wednesday, December 12, dismissed 15 out of the 18 counts of false assets declaration instituted against the Senate President, Bukola Saraki, before the Code of Conduct Tribunal, Punch reports. NAGE.com gathered that the three-man panel of the Court of Appeal led by Justice Wilson unanimously ordered the Senate President to return to the CCT to face trial on 3 of the counts. The Senate President's legal team, however, said it had concluded plans to appeal the 3 other charges at the Supreme Court. Recall that in a unanimous decision, the two-man panel tribunal headed by Justice Amar, held that federal government failed to prove essential elements of all the allegations it leveled against Saraki. Also recall that the tribunal held that oral and documentary evidence that the federal government adduced before it were discredited during cross-examination, saying that the proof of evidence was so manifestly unreliable that no reasonable court or tribunal could rely on it to make any conviction. Had previously reported that the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja on Tuesday, November 14, decided to reserve its judgment on the appeal filed by the federal government to challenge the Code of Conduct Tribunal's acquittal of the Senate President, Bukola Saraki. The three-man panel of justices led by Wilson took the decision after parties to the case adopted their appellants' and respondents' briefs. The report said the date of the delivery of the judgment would be communicated to the parties. In his reaction to the appeal filed, Saraki said he was unperturbed by the government's position on his CCT trial judgment. He also said he was confident that the ruling of the higher court will not be anything different from the judgment given by the CCT. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, had on Wednesday, June 21, his commitment to the ongoing anti-corruption fight was responsible for his decision to authorize the appeal against the judgment.